Hello and welcome to edusathi.com. If you are watching this video, you are perhaps one of the millions of students who prepare for competitive examinations year after year. By competitive examinations, I mean examinations like CAT, MAT, NMAT, XAT, which are for MBA in India, government sector exams like Bank PO and SSC, or the exams that happen after class 12th for entrance into BBA, fashion designing, hotel management and law, or probably you want to go out of India and study. So for that you need to take up exams like GMAT and GRE. If you are preparing for any of these examinations, you've landed at the right place. We at EduSathi are striving hard to make your dreams a reality. With us, you can have 24/7 unlimited access to a number of video lectures, practice questions and formula sheets. You can study at a time which is convenient to you and at your own pace. Now, a lot of you must have joined coaching institutes, and even if you're planning to join one, if you look at our video lectures, you will have better concept clarity for sure. And also you'll be able to demand better quality from those institutes. Now I get to the moot point on how to use the website. Scroll down on the home page and you'll find categories like after 12th examinations, MBA, government sector exams and campus recruitment training. Campus recruitment training is for the students who are in the final year of college and want to prepare for the aptitude section of the written exams conducted by all companies. Now let's say you are a class 12 student and you want to prepare for law. So in the category after 12th examinations, click on CLAT. Now once you enter the CLAT page, you'll find a video where I discuss law as a career in general in India, and also you'll find a PDF all about law entrance examinations in India, wherein you can find all the details, the marking schemes, the eligibility criteria and anything that comes to your mind while you think law as a career. You'll also find sections on quantitative ability, verbal ability, logical reasoning, data interpretation and legal aptitude, which form a major part of the law entrance examinations in India. Now let's say you want to study quantitative ability. So you'll have topics like algebra, percentages, time, speed and distance, which are a part of mathematics. So look at a video lecture after you select a topic and then move on to the practice questions to have a better clarity on concepts. Once you are done with the section, move on to the mock test and sectional test so that you build on your speed and accuracy. Now that we are putting so much effort to make life easier for you while you prepare for examinations, all we require from your side is a little bit of dedication and self-discipline that you'll spend 2 to 3 hours every day on the website looking at the video lectures, practicing questions or memorizing formulas. If you have any doubt in any of the concepts discussed in the video lectures, or you are stuck up at any of the questions in the practice sheets, you can just drop us an email at info@edusathi.com and we'll get back to you. I hope you'll enjoy studying with us and happy learning.